How do you get a bank loan? In today's video, I want to look at the 6 steps you should take starting from today to prepare your business to get a bank loan. Let's get started. Hello there, entrepreneurs. I'm Mukonkela, the host of the Ndalama Insights Business Show, where we turn your challenges into actionable insights. In my previous video, I looked at how you can finance your business, the different types of financing options that you have. Today, I want to take it a step further and help you prepare your business to get financing from a bank. I'm going to take 6 steps in preparing your business to get a bank loan. Now, this video is intended to help you prepare for a bank loan months before you require the loan, or even years before you need that financing. Because it is not easy to get a loan when you need it as an emergency. It is easier for you to get a loan when you've actually prepared for it months ahead, and that is what this video is intended to help you do. The first step I want us to look at is developing good networks. Have you ever wondered why some people get loans whereas others don't, even when they seem to have similar businesses, or maybe even where another business seems to be doing better than the one that is financed? Sometimes, and most of the times, it comes to the network that you have. So the first step I want us to look at is you developing good networks. There's a saying that your network is your net worth. What this simply means is the people you know really matter to helping you succeed. Not just in getting a bank loan, but in managing your business as a whole and ensuring that it succeeds. So when it comes to getting a bank loan, it is very essential that you develop the right networks. You need to know the right people that can help you get that financing. You can start by developing a good relationship with your relationship manager. Most banks have people that they refer to as relationship managers who are in charge of ensuring that your account is taken care of and they attend to your needs, your banking requirements. So you need to know who your relationship manager is at your bank and start talking to them. Another important person you can get to know quickly within the bank is the branch manager. Get to know this person. Explain to them what your business does. Let them know a little bit about your business. Now, this you need to do as quickly as possible. If you don't already know your relationship manager and your branch manager, you need to know them as quickly as possible, because they will help you in your loan application when you do decide to get a bank loan from them. The second step that you need to take today is to start developing good communication skills. In order for you to succeed in getting a bank loan, you need to have brilliant communication skills. And this entails speaking to people, different kinds of professionals, both within your business as well as outside your business. Within your business, you need to ensure that you're speaking well with your management team. You will come to that point soon in terms of why your management team is important to helping you get financing. Now, let's move on to what the banks normally focus on when they are assessing your loan application. When you go to the bank to ask for a bank loan, most likely they refer you to your relationship manager, who then gives you a long checklist of requirements. Amongst those requirements is you having audited financial reports. So the third step in preparing you to get a bank loan is create a simple accounting system that will enable you to keep track of your transactions in your business. These transactions include your sales as well as your expenses. Set up this system as quickly as possible. Immediately you start your business, you need to set up a simple accounting system. There are numerous softwares on the market that are for accounting systems. Amongst them is my favorite, Xero, which is a cloud-based accounting software. If you want to set up this cloud-based accounting software, you can approach me and I will help you in setting it up as quickly as possible. Of course, there are other softwares as well that you can consider. If you can't afford your own accounting system, you need to consider using Excel to record your sales as well as your expenditure. If you can't afford that, or if your business is too small, go with a simple book. Buy a hardcover book and start recording your transactions, your sales, your expenses, and your creditors as well as your debtors. It is very important that you set up an accounting system because it is through the accounting system that you get the reports that the bankers want. Reports such as the profit and loss or the income statement, the balance sheet, as well as the cash flow statement. These reports you can get quickly off your accounting system. And these are the reports that your bankers are interested in. These are the reports that you then take to the auditors to have audited so that your bankers have a set of audited financial statements and you can tick that off your list of requirements. The other thing that bankers ask for is a set of management reports. Management reports are reports that you prepare during the course of the year, normally used internally. So they include the same things. It's your income statement, your balance sheet, and your cash flow projections. That is what the bank wants. So if you have an accounting system set up already, it is very easy for you to produce these reports. You actually don't need to fly off or run off and look for an accountant to prepare management reports for you because you develop a habit of creating them within your business. It becomes a natural part of running a business. In fact, it is. I don't even know why it shouldn't be. Preparing a set of management reports, preparing a set of financial reports should be a natural part of running your business. If it is not, this is what you need to do in order for you to start preparing your business for future financing. The fourth step that you need to take is create a habit of preparing a budget. Accompany this with a business plan. Now, when you prepare a business plan, the business plan should have budgeted or projected incomes and expenditures as well as projected balance sheets. These cover the period of your business plan. So for example, if your business plan is 3 years, we expect that you should have projected income and expenditure or income statements of 3 years, as well as a balance sheet as at the end of your 3-year period. The business plan is very critical because it is among the items that the bankers want to see. But it's not just for the bank. The business plan lays out the strategies that you are going to take in the foreseeable future. These strategies are then translated into the annual budget. So the annual budget breaks down your business plan into yearly chunks and translates that plan into figures that you are then able to implement. So that is what the budget is. It's a simple translation of what is in your business plan or strategic plan into small bits or annual bits that you can then start implementing. In order for you to produce effective management reports, you need the budget because you need to compare your actual performance against your projections, which are found in the budget. So I hope you now see the importance of you creating a simple accounting system, because when you have a simple accounting system, you simply put your budget on the system and you are able to produce management reports that gives you a comparative against your budget, your actual performance against your budget in a click of a button. Now, if you don't know how to produce a budget or if you don't know how to get started creating a budget, you can watch the video that I produced found here where I take you step by step in creating a simple budget for your business using Xero, the cloud accounting software. The fifth step that you need to take is to build a strong management team. When you have a business plan, you know what your managers are supposed to do. They know what they're supposed to do. So when you build a strong management team, it's a team that is aware of what the business is doing. And create a habit of meeting monthly with your management team. This is what big corporations do. And for you as a small business, it is a habit that you should copy today. Every month, create a habit of sitting down with your management team, review the financial reports. Remember, numbers never lie. The numbers are what tells you how your business is performing. Don't just call your manager up and ask them, how are we doing this month? How's the marketing going? See it through the numbers. And you see all this through the management reports. And that is why you have this management meeting to review the overall performance of the business. When you have this habit, your bankers are going to be pleased the day you are going to meet them because they know you are running your business effectively. The sixth step that I encourage you to take is to look at acquiring fixed assets for your business. If you look at the requirements that most banks ask for, if not all banks, they are asking for collateral. This is a fixed asset most of the times that they can hold on to as security if you default on the loan. If you want to have a good chance of getting funded by a bank, you definitely need to consider acquiring some fixed assets such as land and buildings, which is what they most love, as well as other fixed assets that they can hold on to. And have those on the balance sheet of your business. These are not under your personal name. These are in the name of the company. Now, there are so many requirements that banks ask for. I encourage you to visit their websites and talk to your relationship manager. Get that checklist today. You might not need the loan today. You may need it 12 months, 2 years, or 3 years from now. But get that checklist and start ticking off each item as you start preparing your business for that funding. It's definitely not easy to get a bank loan. But if you start taking these steps, I guarantee you, you stand a better chance of getting financing. Especially the first step. Start creating good networks today. Your network is your net worth. This is what I had to share in today's video. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'll leave my contact details in the description below. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because it is helping me reach out to many more people, especially in our country, Zambia. Click the subscribe button right now as well as the bell icon so that you can be reminded whenever I have a YouTube video out.